Right, so now we are working on what's called the nervous system. And so if you find your section that says paper, brain, and spine, wait until you see brain lesson on Seesaw to use these materials. So we are ready to use these materials. It says there will be an instructional video, so wait till you see it. Once you have viewed the recorded lesson, you're ready to add your brain and spine to your paper body. So we're going to assemble the spine and color our brain and then put it on our person. But before we do that, I'm going to show you your brain hat. So everybody has, there are 2 pages, and then there is this direction sheet. So this is more for your parents to help you put it all together. But there is a color key at the bottom. Most everyone has theirs outlined, so you know what color to color each section. There might be a few of you that just has the color key because I bet you can get it all on your own. On the back it says left and right because there's 2 sides of your brain. There's the left side and the right side. If your brain helps your body do everything. It sends messages to your eyes, it sends messages to your hands, it sends messages that help you feel and move and experience things and see. So on our little brain hat here, it tells you what each part of your brain does. So the pink part, it has a picture of a light bulb and a paintbrush and pencil and music, and says Eureka, which is something that some people might say when they have a great idea. It says doing sculpture. This part of your brain on the right side, in the front, is your creative side of the brain. Then you have the orange part, says your temporal lobe, and it has a picture of an ear and a nose. This part of your brain helps you hear and smell and takes all the things in to send and tell you what it's experiencing. The red part is your motor cortex, and that's all the big movements you do, running, jumping, all those fun activities. The yellow part says your sensory cortex. It also says all your things like your leg, hip, trunk, neck, head, arm, elbow, fingers, lips, mouth, throat. So it gets messages and sends it and helps with all those, and also your senses, your sensory input. So when you spin around and feel different kinds of things and how your body takes that all in. And then there's the green part, and then the purple part has a picture of your eye. So it's called your occipital lobe in the back, and that's where your eyes send all the information, and then it tells you what it sees. The left side, some of the spots are the same and some of them are different. So on the left part in the pink, it has "It's nice to be nice." It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sequencing and logic. It says, which came first, the chicken or the egg? There's lots of math problems. It says forming sentences. It says, if this happens, then what will happen next? This side of your brain is your logic, helps you problem solve, think about things. If you're doing math, this part of your brain is working really hard. Helps you with a little bit of that language, so putting all your words in the right order. As well as the temporal lobe on this side also has your speech, smell, hearing. It says Wernicke's area. It says understanding language. So when you hear in all the words, this spot helps you figure it all out. This side also has your motor and sensory cortex, and the green one, and then the purple one with the eye. So some of them are the same, some of them are a little bit different from left to right. So before you put your brain hat together, you want to color all these parts in. They're outlined, but I'll also show you how to color them. So ready? Let's color.